Time to grab your warmest sweaters. Winter is about to show us just how fierce it can be. If you haven't already, now's the moment to dig out those thick scarves, cozy hats, and insulated gloves. Layer up, because you're going to need every bit of warmth you can get. An Arctic blast is barreling down the East Coast, sending temperatures plunging to levels we haven't seen in years. This isn't just a cold snap, it's a dramatic shift that's catching even seasoned winter veterans off guard. This isn't your average December chill. It's a deep freeze that demands real preparation. Frost will creep across windows, snow will pile up faster than usual, and the wind will cut right through you if you're not careful. From New York to Boston to DC, we're talking temperatures 20 to 30 degrees below normal. Major cities are bracing for a cold that could shatter records and disrupt daily life, from school closures to transit delays. This kind of cold isn't just uncomfortable, it's dangerous if you're not ready. Prolonged exposure can lead to frostbite or hypothermia, especially for the elderly, young children, and those without adequate shelter. The culprit? The polar vortex, a powerful weather phenomenon that's unleashed a pool of Arctic air far south of its usual home. This swirling mass of frigid air is responsible for the bone-chilling temperatures sweeping across the region. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down what's happening, what to expect, and how to stay safe. We'll explain the science behind this rare event, give you the latest forecast updates, and help you understand why this cold snap is so intense. Plus, we'll share practical tips to keep you and your family protected, like how to prepare your home, what to pack in an emergency kit, and ways to keep your pets safe from the cold. So, grab a hot drink, settle in somewhere warm, and let's get you ready to handle this Arctic blast like a pro. There's no need to panic, but a little preparation goes a long way. Preparation is key. Let's dive in and make sure you're ready for whatever this winter storm throws your way. Let's demystify the polar vortex, a term you've probably heard every winter, but might not fully understand. It sounds dramatic, but what is it really? Imagine a massive, spinning pool of icy air swirling high above the North Pole. This isn't just a passing weather event, it's a semi-permanent feature of our atmosphere, acting like a gigantic, invisible refrigerator in the stratosphere, keeping the coldest air trapped far to the north. Most of the time, a powerful jet stream, a fast-moving river of air, circles the polar vortex, acting like a barrier that keeps this frigid air locked up where it belongs. But sometimes, the jet stream weakens or becomes wavy, almost like a fence with gaps. When this happens, chunks of that Arctic air can break free and spill southward, reaching areas that are usually much milder. The polar vortex itself stays put over the pole, but its influence stretches far beyond, sending waves of icy air deep into the United States and even other parts of the world. Picture the vortex like a spinning lasso. When it's spinning fast, the loops are tight. But if it slows down, those loops droop and sag, and one of them can swing down, delivering a blast of Arctic cold right to your doorstep. So when you hear the term polar vortex on the news, remember, it's not a single storm or a blizzard, but a shift in the atmosphere that allows the Arctic chill to invade places that aren't used to such extreme cold. That's why you might suddenly find yourself facing record-breaking low temperatures, icy winds, and snow in places that rarely see it. Knowing how the polar vortex works can help you get ready by bundling up, winterizing your home, and staying safe when the cold hits. Next, let's explore what causes the polar vortex to lose its grip and unleash this Arctic air. So, what knocks the polar vortex off balance? It often starts with a sudden stratospheric warming event, when air high above the pole heats up rapidly, disrupting the vortex's spin. This warming is triggered by powerful atmospheric waves from below, like storms pushing energy upward. The result? The jet stream weakens and wobbles, letting Arctic air spill south. This chain reaction can take a week or two to unfold. But meteorologists can spot the warning signs early. A disturbance over the North Pole can mean you're bundling up in Boston 2 weeks later. That's the global domino effect we're seeing now. Here's what's ahead. The Arctic air arrives today, gripping the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic by Monday. Expect the coldest temperatures of the season, highs in the teens or single digits, with wind chills plunging to -15 or even -25. Boston, New York, Philly, and DC will all feel the sting, with frostbite possible in just 30 minutes on exposed skin. Major snow isn't likely, but lake-effect snow could hit Buffalo and Syracuse hard. For most, the main threat is the cold itself, with slick roads possible from light snow or flurries. The deep freeze peaks Tuesday through Thursday, with only slight relief by Friday. This is a prolonged event, several days of dangerous cold, not just a quick snap. Take this seriously and prepare now. The Midwest is first to feel the Arctic blast. Chicago, Minneapolis, and Detroit know this bitter cold well. There, it's a dry, stinging cold, with wind chills plunging to -30 or lower. Life is built around these extremes, but the danger is real. Power grids strain, and farmers scramble to protect livestock. As the cold moves east, it picks up moisture, making it feel damp and raw in cities like New York and Boston. The East Coast isn't always as prepared, and the dense population means more risk, frozen pipes, transit delays, and public health concerns. Urban wind tunnels can make wind chills even worse at street level. Public transportation and infrastructure face unique challenges in the East. Each region battles the cold in its own way, but preparation is crucial everywhere. New England is on the front lines. Northern areas will see overnight lows in the negative teens and 20s, with wind chills even lower. Ski resorts may close as summit wind chills approach -40 or worse. In cities like Boston and Providence, brutal wind chills and old housing stock mean frozen pipes and public health risks. Warming centers will open for those without adequate heat. The Mid-Atlantic, Philly, Baltimore, DC, will see highs stuck in the 20s, a shock after a mild start to winter. Power grids will be tested, and black ice could make commutes treacherous. Schools may close or delay, not for snow, but for dangerous wind chills. This cold snap is a wake-up call. Winter can hit hard, even in the Mid-Atlantic. When it's this cold, what you wear matters. Layer up. Start with a moisture-wicking base, avoid cotton, add an insulating layer like fleece or down, and finish with a windproof, waterproof shell. Layers trap heat better than one bulky coat. Don't forget your extremities. Wear a warm hat, scarf, and mittens, warmer than gloves. Wool socks and insulated waterproof boots are a must. Limit your time outside, especially during the coldest hours. Take breaks indoors to warm up. Watch for frostbite, numbness, pale skin, and hypothermia, shivering, confusion. If you notice symptoms, get inside and seek help immediately. Dressing smart is your best defense against the deep freeze. When temperatures drop, protecting your home from the cold is essential. Start by letting your faucets drip slightly. This simple step keeps water moving and helps prevent your pipes from freezing and bursting, which can cause expensive damage. Open the cabinet doors under your sinks, especially those on exterior walls. This allows warm air to circulate around the pipes, reducing the risk of freezing. Take time to insulate any exposed pipes in unheated areas like basements, attics, or garages. Pipe insulation is easy to install and can make a big difference in preventing costly repairs. Check your heating system before the coldest days arrive. Replace air filters regularly to keep your furnace running efficiently and your indoor air clean. If you use space heaters, always keep a 3-foot safety zone around them, free from anything flammable like curtains, bedding, or furniture. And never leave space heaters running when you leave the room or go to sleep. Unattended heaters are a major fire risk. Test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors monthly. With heaters working overtime, the risk of fire or carbon monoxide poisoning increases, so make sure your alarms are working and have fresh batteries. For your car, winter can be tough on batteries and tires. Test your battery to ensure it's strong enough for cold starts and keep your tires properly inflated for better traction on icy roads. Always maintain at least half a tank of gas. This prevents your fuel line from freezing and ensures you have enough fuel in case you get stranded or stuck in traffic. Pack a winter emergency kit for your car. Include warm blankets, gloves, and extra hats to keep everyone safe and warm if you're delayed or stranded. Don't forget a flashlight, a phone charger, snacks, and bottled water. These essentials can make a big difference in an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages at home. Winter storms can knock out electricity for hours or even days. Have flashlights, extra batteries, a battery-powered radio, and a supply of non-perishable food ready so you can stay safe and informed. Never use a gas stove or grill to heat your home. These can produce deadly carbon monoxide, which is invisible and odorless. Stock up on extra blankets and sleeping bags to keep everyone warm if the heat goes out. A little preparation now can save you a lot of trouble and stress later. Take time to get your home and car ready before the next cold snap hits. Stay informed by checking weather updates regularly so you're never caught off guard by changing conditions. Your home and car are your lifelines during winter. With a few simple steps, you can keep them safe, warm, and ready for whatever the season brings. The most important thing during a cold snap? Looking out for each other. Check on neighbors, especially the elderly or those living alone. A quick call or visit can save a life. Don't forget pets. Limit their time outside and provide warm shelter and fresh water. Stay informed, follow local weather alerts, and avoid unnecessary travel. Use common sense and community spirit to get through the deep freeze safely. This cold won't last forever, but preparation and kindness make all the difference. Keep your winter kit ready. More cold waves could come. Stay safe, stay warm, and take care of each other.